What's up, boys? We took a win on NQ today. We're doing pretty well. We've been doing pretty well recently. It was a $642 win. So let's just get into the logic behind it. Let's go up to the 4-hour time frame on both ES and NQ. All right. So multiple SMTs. So we have an SMT here, this low, and at this low. So few SMTs, we ran all this low resistance liquidity, and we start displacing higher. Let's go to the 1 hour. As you can see, we have, this was actually a bank holiday, so I was being a little more careful, but price actually moved very well today. So we have this 1 hour for value gap here. We just run through it. That tells me that we have strong momentum to the upside if we're just running through gaps like that. Also, I forgot to mention, we were in equilibrium of, I believe, this range right here. Yep, equilibrium of that range. So we had some very high confluences that we were going to go higher. We also had unfilled hourlies and 15 minutes above, as you can see. So hourly here, 15 minute, 15 minute. I just mark out the 15 minute. That's just me personally. So let's just go into the trade. It's around here, I think. Okay. Let's just replay the market here. I'll tell you guys my my thought process through market open. All right, so market opens. We sweep all this sort of low resistance liquidity and relative equal highs. Sweep all that. So I'm expecting us to now run all this low resistance liquidity and tap into this unfilled 15-minute bullish fair value gap. So we start coming down, and we put in an SMT. As you can see, we swept here. Didn't sweep on ES. Where we at? Yeah, didn't sweep on ES. Swept on NQ. So we come down, almost tap into this fair value gap. Now, this is what made me a little bit hesitant to take this trade. For the reason is, like, I wanted to see this get filled because I didn't want anything to show that we were gonna get lower. Like, this is, like, to me, like, this is the point where I'm like, we're gonna reverse here. There's no way we come any further down. There's just no reason for us to come down. And this kind of gave us a reason to come down a little bit. So we come down. I'm expecting a resweep. We don't get it. So it's a little bit weird. I sort of just honestly just chose to ignore it. I'm not going to lie. It was just such a small gap. Let's just pull it up. It's such a small gap. I don't even know how relevant it is. I know, like, the size of the gap doesn't matter. But it's like, it just didn't seem very relevant to me. And we got that close anyways. Probably kind of irresponsible, but I took the risk and it paid off. So we come up. I wanted to see this 5-minute flip. We already had the change in state delivery right here. So I wanted to see the 5-minute flip on the 5-minute time frame. So we got the flip on the 1 minute, as you can see here in a second. Got the flip here. Could have entered here, but didn't. Decided not to. Actually entered on the 5-minute. Got a little bit of a better entry, but entered when the 5-minute closed, which was right here. So 5-minute closed, and break even was at this high right here. Originally had my stop loss or my take profit at these equal highs. It was a pretty strong draw, but I didn't want to hang. I don't know. I kind of just wanted to take it at these external draws right here. So yeah, I don't know. I just didn't want to hold that much longer. Just trying to work on that, but just took it there. So we start coming up. Little to no drawdown. I mean, we have a little bit of drawdown at the start, but it's kind of normal. We had this change in state delivery on the 1 minute. It had me a little bit nervous, but we didn't sweep any gaps, so we were chilling. So come up, we get break even, and eventually hit TP and hit my other TP, my original TP, which is the equal highs. I'll take the 1 to 1.1. It was like a 1 to 1.3 anyways. It was like maybe 100 or like $70 more. I don't know. Not worth it. But yeah, that was basically the trade. It's pretty textbook. Normally don't wait for the 5-minute flip. I normally actually target the 5 minutes, as you guys have been seeing in my recent videos. But this is kind of just what happened today. It's kind of what I had to do, and I'm cool with it. So I guess I have the trade here. As you can see, I originally targeted the 5-minute. I'm tripping. I originally targeted the equal highs up here. I'll just kind of skip through this a little bit. So, yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that I did take this trade. Kind of have to have like proof for everything, I guess. But yeah, can't wait to start the combine on Thursday, and hopefully we can start doing really well trading from there and get a payout. Or actually, let's just focus on getting funded first, but payout eventually. But I'll see you guys tomorrow.